Hi guys, welcome back. I'm Jeannie. Thanks for tuning in. Today I'm doing all Chanel products, and the highlight of this is this Chanel Blue Metal Eyeliner. The Le Beige Water Fresh tint, the Water Fresh Complexion tint, this blush which is a muted rose. I absolutely love it. The bronzer, the little sample of mascara that I have, lipstick, lip liner, lip gloss. It's all Chanel today. We got it all, and I'm going to show you this look. So keep watching.
So here's the Hydra Beauty Camilla Cream. I had a sample of it, so thought I'd use the sample before I would purchase it, since Chanel's a bit pricey, but very luxurious, and I did love the cream. This is the Sublimage La Creme I don't know how to pronounce it, eye cream, and I did love that. I'm going to botch up a lot of these names. So this is the Le Beige Illuminate in Pearl. And what I really liked about this is it gives you that underglow, iridescent, I'm not going to say shine, but that shimmery finish, which was really pretty, like an underglow before any of the foundation. And now I am, of course, doing my normal, mixing my Kate Somerville Recovery Cream. And I am going to mix that with the Le Beige Water Fresh tint in medium. I'm running out of this, which is a great thing because I hardly run out of any of my products, but I absolutely love this Water Fresh tint. It is that light coverage anyway that I like, but it has these pearls of this foundation along with this very hydrating serum, and I even mix this with the recovery cream, especially during the winter. I really don't need to do it during the summer, but during the winter it just gives me that extra dewiness and hydration that my skin needs during the cold weather. And I really like the feel of and the texture of both of this foundation and the moisturizing cream together. I love that moisturizing cream with any foundation that I use, actually, but this is a very light coverage. And I do think that at over 50, a light coverage is something that we should probably contemplate. Now, this is the Blue Metal Eyeliner from Chanel. This blue is so pretty. Now, I have blue eyes, and normally, believe it or not, you have to have a certain color blue in order to use a blue eyeliner, depending, I think, on what brand you're using. Because, a blue eyeliner can drown out your naturally blue eyes, but a blue eyeliner with brown, even with green, hazel eyes, other than blue, a blue eyeliner can really bring out your eye color. I think it's really beautiful. But this worked with my blue eyes, which I was kind of shocked about because I stay away from blue eyeliners. But this was really pretty. I was really happy with this blue eyeliner. It's a very rich, radiant color, almost like a blue bronzy color. So yeah, and I love that. I did a really short wing with that eyeliner, and now I'm using the Les for Ombres Quadra eyeshadow, and this one is in 308 Clear Obscure. And I think you may be able to find this on the Chanel website because I'm not able to really find it anywhere else. But I did link a color below that is very similar if you guys are interested in purchasing it. And I just went with, different colors. I like to use a kind of a darker neutral color on my crease. Then I go with a lighter color on my lid. And then, of course, a highlight for under the brow. Now, this is the La Base mascara. This is a mascara base that you use under, your regular mascara. This does not have fibers in it. It's more like a conditioner for your eyelashes. However, it really did help add volume to my eyelashes when I put on this is the La Base, the Noir Allure mascara. This is, again, I'm using samples because I use up all the samples before I buy it. But the La Base really helped to add volume and separate my lashes. It really works together. I mean, I don't know what magic Chanel uses, but there's some magic in their products because it really, it did a beautiful job, as you can see. It really lengthened my lashes and separated them, but then added some volume. You can see I have bottom eyelashes, which I really don't. And the La Beige Water Fresh Complexion Touch. Now, this is like the water, that's like the Water Fresh tint. However, it's heavier, so I use it as a concealer, and that was in BR12. I'm running behind here, I know. This is the Soleil Tan de Chanel. This is a bronzer, and you can use this as a contour or a bronzer. And I use it as a contour, but also to add some warmth to my face because I have such a light coverage. And because I'm using a light coverage, I can go ahead and use this nice creamy bronzer, which is a bit heavy, but definitely added some color and sun to my face. Now, this is my favorite powder blush from Chanel. It's the Rose Bronze. This color, you can use it, at any season, but it really, I like it during the fall and winter because it does have that. It's matte, but it's I don't know. It has a beautiful texture for dry skin. It works with drier skin, believe it or not, because the powder's a little tough. I do add a little bit under my eyes because I like to offset the blue, and I do find that a pinky peachy shade will do that. And I also put it around like an all-around color. I love this blush. I love the powder. I love the texture of the powder. It's not a creamy powder, but it's a smoothing powder, almost like an airbrush. And all the brushes that I'm using also are from Sephora. I love Sephora's brushes. This is the blush brush. I absolutely love it. Okay, this is the lip liner in Pavone. I am linking all of this below. This is kind of a neutral pink color, although it looks very pinky on here. It's a neutral pink, so it can be used, I think you can use it any season during the year. Very pretty color, very Chanel's lip liners, and although I don't see a lot of them anymore, I don't know why, but they're very creamy and they're long lasting. The pigment, very pigmented, but buildable, just I don't know. Their lip liners are perfect, just like their lipsticks. Their lipsticks are absolutely perfect. And this one is in Dream. This is not matte. This is a creamy, shiny color. Neutral. Goes perfectly with that lip liner, as you can see. And yeah, this color again is Dream. So pretty. One of my favorite lip colors from Chanel. And that's the finished. Oh no, that's right. I had a lip gloss. This lip gloss is caramel. I don't think, actually, I can't remember this color. I'm going to link it below. Sorry. But that's right. I did add this on for some extra shine. Has a really beautiful brush as an applicator. Lip glosses, again, they're long lasting, but they're not kissably fruit. They're not kissably proof, but this is the finished look, and I love it. So this is the final look. I hope you like it. The star of this video is that blue metal eyeliner because I saw somebody else use it and I absolutely loved it. I wanted to try it on my 59-year-old skin to see if I can do that with my eyes, and I still do. I remember when I was younger, I loved blue eyeliner, but can you get away with that when you're older? If you're using Chanel, I think that you can, but I loved every single product that I used. The only questionable one is the bronzer because my bronzer is 2 years old. And I think those bronzers have a 12-month shelf life. So it did feel a little dry, and if I'm going to purchase a new one, it's going to be during the summer when I'm using a bronzer, not now. But I used it more as a contour, and as you know, you can use any bronzer as a contour. But anyway, guys, I hope you like it. Please leave a comment below. Please hit the subscribe button, and I will see you soon. Love you guys.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah. But we're done. We're done with this video. We're done. The like button and
4, 3.
bye. The like button and
4, 3.